Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a wish list in Amazon. So first of all, open up the Amazon app. Now in here, click on this profile icon in the middle, click on it. Now once you're here, click on your lists. Now in here, click on this plus button right here. This pop-up will show up saying create a new list. Now in here, I'm just going to name it my wish list. Wish list. Now after that, click on create list. So a wish list would be created. Now in order to add some products in it, go back to home. Let's say I'll be going for this thing, just click on it. Now once you're here, just simply scroll down and look for add to list. Click on it. Now in here, select a list that you want to add it to. I will go for wish list. And that item would be added to your wish list. You can do the same with other products as well. So that is how you can create a wish list in Amazon. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a wish list in Amazon. So first of all, open up Amazon. Now once you're at Amazon, click on this button right here, and in here click on create a list below your lists. Now after that, you will be at this page right here. Now in here, just simply scroll down and look for create a list. Click on it. Now in here, name that list. I'm just going to name it wish list. Wish list. After that, click on create list. Now after the list has been created, in order to add products in it, go back to the Amazon homepage. Select for a product that you want to add. I would go for, let's say, this one right here. Now once you're at the interface of the product, just simply scroll down and look for add to list. Click on it. And that item would be added to the list that you just created, which in my case is my wish list. Now if you have more than one list, it will ask you to select the list that you want to add that product to. So that is how you can create a wish list and add some products in it in Amazon.